Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a car that's not starting, but the battery works. Watch the video until the end to learn more. Here are possible reasons why your car isn't starting, but the battery works, and how to fix it. First, your car might have a faulty starter motor. To fix a faulty starter motor, first check the connections for corrosion or looseness. Tap the starter lightly with a tool to potentially free it up. If it still won't start, remove and test the starter. Replace if defective. Always disconnect the battery before working on the starter for safety. Secondly, your car might have ignition system issues. To fix ignition system issues, inspect and replace worn spark plugs and faulty ignition coils. Check the ignition switch for wear or damage and ensure proper wiring connections. Use a multimeter to test for electrical continuity. Thirdly, fuel delivery problems could be the cause. Start by checking the fuel pump for proper operation and replace it if faulty. Inspect and replace a clogged fuel filter. Ensure fuel lines are free of leaks and blockages, and then start the car. So there you have it. Follow these steps to fix your car that's not starting, but the battery works. Thanks for watching. Till next time.